AUVic is one of 8 active engineering competition teams at the University of Victoria, located in Victoria, BC, Canada. We are comprised of 26 undergraduate students from electrical, mechanical, computer engineering, as well as computer science, physics, and business. We have made leaps in terms of the level of organization and planning within the team, as well as the number of systems we are choosing to tackle.
With the addition of several new electrical systems, including the hydrophone and the weight dropper, more electrical storage and more power was needed. This inspired the design of our newest submarine, Nautilus. In contrast with our previous AUV, Nautilus has a much larger main housing and 2 dedicated battery housings. In order to reduce the number of penetrators into the main housing, 6 motor controllers are stored in 2 rectangular housings designed for compactness. This redesign was completed with an emphasis on buoyancy and trim adjustment in order to facilitate submersion. This year, we also redesigned our thrusters, creating hydrodynamic thruster shrouds using 3D printing and incorporating new propellers into our thrusters.
AUVic is reusing our previous motor design for our new submarine. This is because the previous motor design allowed us to read the RPM. The RPMs were acquired by passing the motor's back EMF through a filter, then comparators, and finally into a microcontroller. Once the information was in a microcontroller, we could relay it simply to the main computer. This will be the first year that AUVic is using a weight dropper on the submarine. The weight dropper works by having a permanent magnet holding up a ball bearing with a solenoid in between. By turning on the solenoid, we cancel out the permanent magnetic field, allowing the ball bearing to drop. Also, this is the first year that AUVic is going to have RTOS on all of the embedded systems. RTOS allows us to put commonly used embedded functions into tasks. These tasks can be assigned for new members to build, and once they're done, they're very modular and easy to integrate into our code base.
During the past year, the AUVic software team has doubled its numbers and worked around the clock to completely revamp its software systems. The vision system has been developed with the use of OpenCV classifiers, color, and edge detection. This allows us to detect objects of interest with a high degree of accuracy while remaining computationally cheap. With the addition of 4 new motors, the navigation system has been completely redone. This will allow us to navigate the pool with a higher degree of speed and maneuverability. Our software stack has been modified to utilize many popular open source frameworks such as GitHub and ROS. This has allowed our developers to focus their efforts on developing modular and an autonomous system. We have come very far this year, but we still have some ways to go.
AUVic is very excited about RoboSub 2017. But before we go, we just wanted to say a very big thank you to all of our sponsors.